Hello guys, welcome to the stream Desktop Gaming. Hi. Hello guys, welcome to the stream Desktop Gaming. Hi. Hello guys, welcome to the stream Desktop Gaming. Hi. Hello guys, welcome to the stream Desktop Gaming. Hi. Hello guys, welcome to the stream. Guys, two people are already watching my stream, so please like, share, subscribe, guys. Like the live and share the live to your friends so they can see the live now and subscribe, guys. Hello Pantham, welcome to the stream. Bro, this is my friend squad custom tournament, and I'm spectating the match, and it's created by RCR Phoenix clan. No, bro, because most of the people who are playing in this custom tournament are Malayalam people, so they won't understand Kannada. So I'm I'll be speaking in English. Yes, the commentary will be in English, bro. So three people have already joined to the live. So please make sure like, share, subscribe, guys. So 19 people have already joined. So there are more squads yet to come. Okay, so the match has started already. So there are 8 teams, and 2 teams are playing solo. So team number 25, it's RCR team. Team number 23, RCR Magneto is in team number 23. Uh, okay. Team number 14, Spy X Hari. Team number 12, Atul. Team number 11, Mr. Beast team. Team number 5, Psycho. Team number 4, KG Bruto. Okay. Nobody has still jumped off the plane. Okay, team number five. Team number five. Psycho has jumped. He's solo. He's going to school or Rozak maybe. Okay. Most of the squads have jumped. Yeah, all the squads I guess. Yeah, all the squads have jumped. Okay, Phoenix YT. Phoenix YT and the other squad Hari and team number 14. They are heading to Pochinki, and team number 12 is heading to Milta. Okay, few teams are. Ghost team is going to military or Novo maybe. They'll find a car. Ghost team. Okay. Okay, one guy, one team to verify. Okay, let's see. Phoenix YT. So in Pochinki, there are two squads. Team number 11 and team number 25. Okay, team number 25 is looting in the center of the Pochinki, and team number 11 they have a brilliant plan. They might loot over here and go to the left side houses and attack on team number 25, where the team number 25 will still be holding the place in center. Let's see. Okay, he has shotgun Uzi. Okay, we can see fight between team number. Okay, we can see fight even team number 4 between team number 4 and team number 3 I guess. No, team number Bruto. Okay. Okay, they might attack team number 3. Okay, team number 4 is already spotted, and even team number 4 might be knowing that team number 3 is here. Yeah, they will be knowing. Yeah, for sure. Okay, team number 4 is spotted. One guy is near the tower. Team number 3 knows that. Okay, team number 4 is escaping from here. Oh my god. Team number 3 don't know that they are escaping. What is Seiko doing? He is in Rozok alone. Oh my god. Okay, team number 14. One guy is over here. There is only one guy, solo player from team number 14. When team number 11 is close, I guess, near Pochinki. No, no, they escaped from here. Team number 11 escaped from Pochinki. Oh man. Okay, only okay. Even they will find a drop. Team number 12 will find a drop. What is in the drop? What will be in the drop, man? Let's see later. Okay. Team number 14 knows that he's here. Okay. Team number 14, he has only one gun, I think, yeah. And he has proper level 2 vest, level 2 helmet. And he have 4 health kits with 1 painkiller and 4 energy drink and 10 bandages. Nice. He has some good loot, man. Okay, Tino 12 has shooted flare. Okay, what will they get in the flare? Groza. Okay, one gun is already looted. One gun is already looted. Scar and Uzi. Okay, MK. Okay, they got MK and Groza. POP. Okay, okay. They're making fun, I think. They're throwing nade or stunts. They're throwing smokes. Okay, team number 25 know that team number 14 SpyX Hari is there, and Asiak Knight, I think he might rotate from flank from left. Okay, I think one guy, it's better to one guy to flank from right. Okay, they will rush. They will rush. Okay, two people watching, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, guys. Please like the live and also share and subscribe. Okay, what will team number 14 do? Team number 14 know that the whole trio of people are front of him. Has Phoenix spotted him? I don't think so. Yeah, he has spotted him, I guess. But if anybody in Phoenix squad get knocked, he'll be cleared for sure. He will be cleared for sure. Okay, Knight has already rushed Knight and Ethan Hunt. So Phoenix Whitey will give cover. Oh, fight is already going on, man. One guy is from team number 23 is already dead. Okay, down. Will he finish them? OP guys, OP. So team number 4, one guy is already knocked. He will get revived for sure. They are not able to spot team number 14, man. This is kind of weird. I think even he is not giving any footsteps. Or else they would have got to know. Oh my god. What a match. He's right top of RCR Knight, but RCR Knight don't know that where is he. He's not able to spot the enemy. But I think they will get to know in some time if he gives some moment. Okay, they're like, oh my god. OP man, OP. Heading back. Team number 23 is totally down. So all the squads except 12 are close. So 12 and 5. So we might see fight between team number 4, 11. Okay. OCB Ghost are heading to Pochinki. Team number 3. Yes, they are heading to Pochinki. They will face the RCR Phoenix squad. RCR's Phoenix is right here. Oh my god. OP. Okay, one guy down by Ignite. Phoenix Whitey has knocked one guy. Phoenix Whitey has knocked one guy. Phoenix Whitey is rushing. Okay, squad wipe, squad wipe. OCB squad wipe. OP guys. What is team number 14 still doing? Okay, team number 14 will rush. He may rush. Okay, he will loot. Okay, team number 11 is holding this compound over here. Okay. Okay, they will. Okay, team number 12 has extraordinary loot, bro. What is team number 4 doing? Okay, okay, nice strategy. Team number 4 knows that enemies are here, so wherever they try to escape, they will be knocked or cleared. So they are going to go. Okay, they might go from the island way, and they may cross Nova Bridge, and but still they may face the team number 12. Let's see what will happen. No. They're heading over here itself. They might face team number 11 now. They will face, yeah. They might or they will. Team number 11 is right ahead of these guys at that compound over there. So they got to know this. All the houses are looted over here. Okay, he. Oh my God, this guy is crazy, man. He's camping. Okay, he spotted all of them. Okay, okay, some nades, some nades. Okay, Phoenix Whitey has already spotted him. Yeah, Phoenix Whitey spotted 10 or 14. Finally, okay, he has not yet spotted. Asian's Knight. Did he spot? No. So 5 people watching my stream, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, guys. Ask your friend to subscribe my channel, friends, everybody. So please like my live and how many likes? So 3 likes, guys. More 2 people. Please, guys, like my channel. Share the channel, subscribe the channel. Ask your friends also to subscribe the channel. Okay, team number 4. Okay, but where is team number 11? They were right here. Okay, they're okay. They are escaping. Okay, they're near the ban house over there. Okay, team number 14. So team number 4 spotted team number 11. OP guys, OP. Okay, RCR Phoenix YT. It's a wrong move, man. Not even one shot got connected. I think he should escape. Spy X Harry. Okay, they rushed on him. OP. This guy is crazy, bro. He's like Monkey King. He climbs everywhere he goes. OP Phoenix YT. Superb. Okay, team number 11 is very close. Team number 4 knows the enemies are here. Team number 11 knows that them. Okay, will he rush? Will he rush? No, no, no. They're going back. Okay, team number 11 will hold this compound. What is team number 5 doing? Psycho. Groza. Groza Gillis. Okay, will Psycho take it? No, Psycho has not found it, I guess. Psycho have Uzi and AKM. Bro, if Psycho spots the drop, he will change AKM to Groza for sure. Okay. Team number 12 over here. Okay, we can see fight between team number 11 and team number 12 now. Oh, bye. Nice spray, but they did not connect anybody. Okay, direct rush, man, direct rush. Team number 12 has excellent loot. Okay, last guy from team number 11. Okay, he's nading. No use, no use. Okay, two people down from team number 11. Will he revive? Will he revive? Or what will he do? Night Devil. Okay, he's reviving. But still, he will face enemy. Okay. Night Devil is down. Night Devil is down. Okay. OP, OP, bro. Team number 12. Team number 12, one guy is down, but they managed to wipe team number 11 now. So team number 12 and team number 5 Psycho is already in the zone, and team number 4 is also in the zone, I guess, and team number 25 they're going to drop, I think. What is there in the drop? Okay, it's looted. Team number 25 has looted the drop. Okay, they're taking shots at team number 4. They has a good spot, man. They have a good spot. They will destroy the car, as per I know. RCR Phoenix YT. Right. OP. Team number 4 cleared RCR Phoenix and everybody. Oh bhai. Oh bhai. Maro muche. Superb. Superb gameplay by Shabdir. OP man. OP. But one guy got cleared. Phoenix managed to clear one guy from the team number 4. Okay. So there are only 3 squads right now. Team number 5 solo guy, and team number 12 and team number 4. So in team number 12 and team number 4 there are 3 people, 3 people in the squad trio people, and in team number 5 he's a solo. So 7 people alive. Let's see what happens. Okay, they will team number 4 and team number 12 both have extraordinary loot, but Psycho, even he has some loot, but he did not take the Groza which was up. But I think team number 4 might rush on team number 5 because they are close. Hello, I can hear Psycho. He is on the all chat. Okay, team number 12 will go to the drop. Team number 4 is still looting, man. Okay, team number 4 has spotted team number 12. No, he can't connect shots because they're outside the ridge, like down the ridge. Okay, they are in the zone. Team number 12 is in the zone. Team number 5 is also in the zone. Team number 4 should come to the zone. Okay, they're going outside the zone. There, I think they're rushing. No, no, they'll camp outside the zone. They'll take height advantage now. They will take height advantage. They'll wait people to come near the drop. Then they'll fire. Okay, team number 12. Will they spot team number 4? Sorry, team number 5. Okay, team number 4 has managed to enter the zone. No, they are not yet, but they'll be into the zone soon. Okay, spotted the drop. Guys, who and all are watching my live, please guys like, share, subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel for further videos and more custom rooms, tournaments and all. And like my channel, subscribe my channel, please guys. Ask your friends also to subscribe my channel. Okay. Team number 5 is playing totally cool, man. Totally. Okay, team number 5 has spotted team number 4, I guess. Yeah. The car has been damaged. Hello, SpyX, sorry, bro. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, bro, I saw. Bro, it's not commentary, it's commentary. I know Malayalam slang. But nice gameplay, bro. SpyX, sorry, you were taking TTP and you were camping on the top of the buildings, right? In Pochinki. Guys, who are watching my stream, please like, share, subscribe, guys. Okay. Okay, team number 12, one guy is down. He's down. Okay, he's already cleared. Knock and clear, man. Knock and clear. OP, OP. Okay, one guy from team number 4 is down by DS Abdir. OP. Another guy, 20 HP, 20 HP, man. Last guy, I think the good move is to rush. Because, okay, he will revive. He will revive. Okay. Only one guy from team number 12. It is 1v3, 1v3 match. Okay, team number 12, he will take the zone advantage. He has MK, man. He can wipe out the total squad. He has MK. Team number 4 has managed to knock and clear two members of team number 12. But let's see what happens now. When the guy was knocked and when the other guy was 20 HP, I think Stranger Triangle should have rushed with the MK, and he could have taken easily one guy with the MK. And the other guy was 20 HP. He could have managed to take other guy's health also. That he did some wrong moves. Let's see. Haha. Did he spot him? I think team number 4 no. Oh boy! Knocked. Oh boy! Okay, down. Awesome gameplay, awesome gameplay. Let me take screenshot of this if you guys need. Okay guys, thank you for watching my stream. Guys, please like, share, subscribe. Bro, I don't understand Malayalam, bro. Okay guys, thank you. Like guys, like the stream. Like 7 people are watching, only 3 likes. Okay, thank you for watching the stream. I'm gonna off the stream now. Okay guys, thank you.